Okay, so we created our first frame. So it's time to create the remaining frames. But before we do that, we just need to go to platforms under the composite collider and change the geometry type from outlines to polygons. Okay, so now we're ready to start creating our other frames. So if we duplicate this first frame and we move it over, hide this frame, we call it middle frame. Okay, then we open up the tile map. First thing we do is get rid of all the platforms. Then we want to go to the ground layer, open up a little passageway there, and then fill the rest in on the background. And just remember to bring those out. Okay, that's the middle frame. So we can duplicate, not delete. We can delete that. 34.55. We call this middle frame. So that's our starting on our middle frame bounds. So while we're at it, we'll put our middle frame in there. And then we just need to duplicate that one more time. And this will be our end frame. And if we jump onto that, we go to the background, and we'll erase the background. We can erase those two blocks and paint, if I can paint the right one in, paint that wall in. And then finally we need to create the end frame bounds. And we'll put that up the top. So for the end frame, it'll be the starting and the middle frame. And our end frame will go in there. Middle frame will be the middle frame, the starting and the end frame. And the starting frame will be middle and end. We can turn those frames off. Turn our starting frame back on again. And that should be all we need to do for our scene frames. Now you can create as many as you want. You can put entrances up the top and bottom. That's why I've just done a row of 3. Let me just double check. Middle frame, end frame. Starting frame, end frame for the middle frame. And the end frame is starting a middle and end frame. Right, so that should be everything for this scene frame part, we can now start looking at coding our platform controller. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.